Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're diving straight into today's hairstyle. Well, it's actually two hairstyles. Right now, I'm actually just getting my hair prepped and primed for hairstyle number 1, which is a cute little side part. Now, I blow dried my hair and straightened it. I actually straightened it off camera, and here's just a quick brief of the specs of the hair sent from Eayon. So, literally jumping right into things. You can just see me partitioning and sectioning off my hair, adding the clip-ins, and I'm just going to showcase the manner or rather the order in which I do that in. Yeah, you're just stacking them. If you're new to clip-ins, then it's really not a complicated hairstyle, and it's super quick and easy to do. So stay tuned and pretty much follow the video. So now that I've ordered all of the clips in the positions I'd like them to be in, I'm just going in with some Got To Be Hold spray. I don't know which version this is, it's the purple bottle, but yeah, this is pretty much the finished result of hairstyle number 1, showing you the length, showing you the ends. The hair is slightly on the thinner side. It's not as dense as I'm used to certain hair being, but I suppose it gives more of a natural look, which is great because even though the length is long, the density is woo, on par. Now, as you see, abruptly moving into number 2, hairstyle number 2, I'm just showing you how I set my hair up for a half up, half down. So after I've done the partition right through the middle of my head, the back section, all you really need to do is either clip it, tie it, or in this case, I just did like a mini braid, and then tie up the front part, and again start stacking and ordering your clips in the way that you'd like them to be. One thing you'll notice is as I'm laying the clips, I'm kind of doing them in a U-shaped position with the clips almost falling towards my face, just so that it actually conceals the tracks a lot better and they don't show whilst your hair is in this hairstyle. So yeah, once again, I'm going to sit back, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but you'll see the way in which I go about styling my hair. So I was actually trying to show you how I partition and basically sleek the top, but my camera died. So moving swiftly along, I'm just taking a clip and wrapping it around my little pony. Then I'm taking a piece of hair and wrapping that around the very end of the ponytail to give it a concealed look, and here are the final results. Thank you guys so much again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me down below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.